Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This is going to be another DaVinci Resolve tips and tricks video involving audio. Now, I record using my Canon 5D SLR, but the audio on it isn't the best. Even with an external microphone, it does still pick up a lot of noise in the background. So what I do is I actually record my audio on my Elgato Wave 3, which has got plugins on to make it sound better, and also remove any background noise using a noise gate. Then what I do is I edit it together in DaVinci. It's very simple to do, and it works, I would say, 90% of the time. So let's jump into that video now onto DaVinci Resolve, and let me show you how you do it. Right, so now we're here in DaVinci Resolve. There's a couple of things we need to do. Obviously, we need to import our tracks, our videos. Now, the way I've done it, I've used OBS to record my audio with a camera. You'll see that in a second. And obviously I've used my Canon 5D SLR to record the main camera part of it, the main video part of it. But what I want to do is I want to take the audio from the OBS tracks and then put that on my SLR video, because the SLR is obviously a much better video for quality. So we'll pull all the videos in. Now you'll see there, we've got 4 videos. Now it's quite simple to do this. So the way you used to be able to do it is just highlight them all and then go, yeah, it won't let me do it this way anymore. So I had to change the way to do it. So we'll take these 2 videos, we'll drop them down onto our timeline, reduce the timeline size down. Then what we'll do, we'll take the audio and we'll pull it back to the timeline. So now you've got the 2 audio clips there, okay? Now what we can do, we can remove these from here because they are no longer needed. And if anything, we could even remove, we could or even just get rid of those clips from OBS and just leave it like that. Now, obviously, we've got our timeline. Now, what we can do is just select all of these together. Now, seriously, this is simple. Right click on one of the video tracks and you'll see auto sync audio. Now, what you can do is go based on waveforms. We click on that, analyzes content, done. So now when we click on that one, drag it onto timeline, we play back. The audio track from here will be the audio track from the hello everyone, welcome to this video. Rather than do another DaVinci Resolve the SLR. What a place to pause it. Now these tracks that you see, this video you're seeing here is going to be at the beginning and end of this video. So I've basically getting myself ready to create this video by using the content to create this video. It's as simple as that. It is literally a matter of get your audio track you want from whatever source you use. Now, like I say, I use OBS so I can use my Wave 3. If you have a separate audio recorder, like Voice Meter, I know it has an audio recorder on there. You could record from there, take that audio track, drop it into DaVinci Resolve, and then do exactly the same. Highlight the 2 clips, and then copy and, well, what is it? Highlight 2 clips, right click, and do the audio matching via waveform. That's it. It is that simple. Thank you everyone for watching that video. Hopefully it's been helpful to you. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And hopefully we'll come back with some more content involving tips and tricks when it comes to streaming, when it comes to DaVinci Resolve and editing. Now, bear in mind, I'm not a professional editor. I do it as a hobby, and I've been using DaVinci Resolve for about 6 months, but I'm still learning things, and I'm learning things as I go along, and as I do, I'll share them with you guys as well. Again, don't forget, I do stream on Twitch as well every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday in the evenings, normally from about 7 PM. So come and check me out over there. All the links are down below. Again, have a good one, guys. Take care.